Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a lotion bar with ingredients. First I'm going to show you guys all my ingredients and then we're going to get into the video.
Hey, KTP, just for you, baby. Yeah, hey, yeah. Give it to me, that workout. Give you the workout, girl. Give you the workout, girl. Give it to me, that workout. Give it to me, that workout. Give you the workout, girl. Give you the workout, girl. Give me the workout, baby. Show them that you're not lazy. Ooh, lately, that body driving me crazy. Gym body. Not give it to nobody. Oh, gym body. Original, them can photocopy, oh. We never over. You sending me loca. I want your love. You giving me pressure. Love never sober. We dancing in soca. Ride like vroom, vroom, vroom. And you know we end up going low, lower, lower. Until we end up going low, lower.
So now I'm adding all my soft oils. I'm going to use some hemp oil in this recipe because it's so good and nourishing for your skin. You can choose any oil that you want, and these are just the oils that I'm choosing to use. Sometimes I use olive oil. I use all kinds of oils, avocado oils, but you've seen my list, so I think this one works best for people that has eczema and combination skin. Now I melted all my oils. Now it's time to add in all of my vitamins, like my vitamin E. I'm going to add in all my different powders and different things that's going to nourish your skin. Carrot powder and all the great stuff that I put in there. It's the final thing that I'm going to put in there. And then my essential oils. And then I'm going to put it all in the moldings and wait 24 hours before I unmold it.
Girl, I'm gazing, looking at you is amazing. With your gym body, not give it to nobody. Oh, gym body, original, them can photocopy, oh. We never over, you sending me loca.
So after blending everything, because it starts to cool down really fast, I'm just going to add everything to my moldings. So it's 24 hours later, and I am going to be unmolding everything. So soft and amazing, not oily.
On these haters' facts.